What's up guys, my name is David from Litex and today I'll show you how to change the language on Windows 11. I'll show you two ways because for some people maybe you set the language to Chinese or a language that you don't understand and you can't reach settings. Especially for this case, I will show you two ways how to get to the language settings. So of course the first one will be to get into the search bar and just search for settings. But if settings is named with something else because it might be Chinese or Korean or I don't know, Italian, you might not get into that. So the second way to reach the settings will be to locate your Windows icon here at the bottom, and I will right click on it, and now here I can locate settings, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6, the sixth one you can locate the settings. So let's just open that one, and now let me put that on the full screen, and on the left side if you'll have a look we can locate time and language. I'll press on that, and here we'll have to press on the second one, which is language and region. And now pay attention, as you see on the top side, mine is set on my language is set on English United States, but I can't select any other language because it's not installed. So before you are selecting one, you'll have to install it. Now down below you can select other language if it's not installed. You have to search for it. As an example, let's search for another English New Zealand. Yeah, why not? But pay attention to these icons, English New Zealand. This package will contain display language, text to speech, speech recognition and handwriting, and if you'll have a look, it will not have the icon of text to speech. So pay attention to what are you installing, because it might contain or not contain something that you want. Anyway, if the package have everything you want, just select it and press on next, and you'll have another setting, language preferences, set as my Windows displays language. You might want to select that if you want your Windows to be displayed with this language. And now we will have to press this button, which is installed. Before you are selecting the language, and if you don't have that installed already, of course you'll have to install that, and you'll have to wait a couple of minutes. Usually you'll have to wait between 2 or 3 minutes for a package to be installed. Now depends, of course, how big is that. Okay, it's finally I think it's been it's been like 5 or 6 minutes. Right now we'll have one more button. Windows needs to sign out in order to apply your display language. So if I will press right now on sign out, my computer will be restored, and after that I'll be ready to go and the language will be set. But I don't want to change my English to New Zealand. I'll keep that on the United States. So just press on that button and that will restart your computer, and after that the new language will be set up. So that was it about this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment with a question, or if you have any thoughts down below right under this video. I want to tell you one more thing. Please have the greatest day you can possibly have.